I just took 100 photos. Hey, what's up? Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I've already done an unboxing yesterday. Go and check out. If you are interested in this video, I'll go a little bit in depth about it, like the design, you know, performance, and especially the camera performance. I've done a crazy bunch of, you know, Fuji tests, camera photo test. Be sure to check out. And also, I already done a dedicated camera comparison video with the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the Vivo X200 Pro, which you guys have asked the most. That will be in my next video, so definitely subscribe if you haven't. Now, without further ado, let's get to the phone. Or first, let me walk you through the design very quickly. So on top, we have nothing, but they have moved the dual noise mic and infrared blaster to the back camera module. And on the right side, we have the volume rocker and the power key, the same shit as before. And to the bottom, we have the SIM card slot, dual noise mic, Type-C port, and the speaker. Nothing on the left side. And moving to the back, we have a gigantic camera module. And as you can see, it comes with this red ring. Wow, looks so premium. I like the design. And now my first impression, oh my gosh, this thing is like so thick. I just read the data that this has like 9.43 millimeter. That's really thick. It's even thicker than the last generation, especially when you put on that photography kit, which I will show you a bit later. And now a little bit more about the grape. I don't think they have this kind of bold color for the last generation, right? But yeah, I like it. Looks premium, and as you can see, 200 Ultra telephoto. And this ring here, you have to press this button to release it. This just function as a deco, okay? Has no practical use. And when you hear a click, it just lock it tight. And to get the thing off, you just press and take out. And that is the grape. Okay, this is also a battery that can charge your phone. Okay, when you install, you will see the pop-up which shows the battery life of the phone and the grape. Okay, settings, and here are the settings for the camera grape, and you can quick launch, take a photo, set up a grape button. You can choose like a shutter button, change it to burst. I just took 100 photos. And now zoom lever, and zoom lever means this thing. You can choose to default zoom or continuous zoom or switch zoom. All right, let's go to here. Like if you press, like it will go to 2, 3, 4.3. I highly suggest that you choose the default zoom, because this default zoom enables you to have the best photo quality. Custom dial, you can choose focus or shutter, ISO, bokeh. Let me just choose bokeh for you. Okay, that's my cameraman Asni, the bokeh. And now it gets stronger and stronger, and that is the bokeh effect. And now to the most important thing, the camera performance. As you can see, Xiaomi has restructured its camera interface. There's no more here, but where are those features, cool features, those dual videos, slow motion, those videos go? Well, you have to swipe up, okay, to get out all those functions, Ultra HD, fast shot, slow motion, time lapse, those kind of things. One of the highlights for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is that 200 megapixel telephotos. But where is it? Where to find it? Okay, even you go to 4.3, there's no way to find it. So where is it? Well, you have to go to Pro, and then you switch to 4.3, and then you press here. You can see that 200 megapixel. video, so it supports up to 4K 120 still videos, 4K 120. Now check this out, it supports like telephoto 4K 120, and now 4K 120 4.3 times still videos, so you can see the video quality a little bit. With this, I guess you just better use with the tripod or something. And now this is 4K 30 zoom. 4K 30 zoom. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4.3. 4.3, yeah. All the way to 10 times. Wow. This is like ultra clear. I didn't see like any I didn't see any softness. It's just so much clear. 30 times, and now it's 30 times. Oh my god, this video capability is just crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me just zoom. Wow, oh my god. Now I just switched to 4.3 times 120 FPS, and this is like 6 times, 6.8 times, 10 times, 12.9 times. This is 12.9 times 4K 120 from that telephoto 4.3. Wow, that's crazy good. 4K 60 going upstairs. Let me check. Okay, the stabilization test. The front camera 4K 60. I just walk around a little bit just to see how easy everything. Let's go into the sun. Whoa, oh my god. You can just check. Wow, the video quality on Xiaomi 15 Ultra now is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. You can see the sky crystal clear. The dynamic range is super good. Oh my god, I guess this is by far has the best selfie videos among all Chinese manufacturers, I guess, right? And that's the camera performance. What do you think about it? Just leave your comments below. More in depth will come a bit later. And if you're wondering about the AnTuTu benchmark, here you go. But since there's a little glitch, the GPU, the score is not appearing. So, but I guess it can surpass like 2 million easily. And to the last part, which you guys love most, the audio test. Wow, that's loud.
Mobile sounds, the best.
The sound is really good.